Number 1. A stunning photograph from the James Webb Space Telescope shows the magnificent pillars of creation in all their glory. The pillars of creation were made famous by the Hubble Space Telescope, but the new James Webb Space Telescope is bringing them to life by exposing hundreds of newborn stars twinkling inside the faint dust clouds. The majestic pillars of creation, also known as the Eagle Nebula, are columnar clouds of interstellar dust and gas located in the constellation Serpens, some 7,000 light-years distant. In 1995, the Hubble Space Telescope, the forerunner of the James Webb Space Telescope, captured the first picture of them, and their terrifying beauty shocked scientists. Webb's near-infrared camera, NIRCam, captured an all-new picture of the pillars, revealing intricate cloud patterns and hundreds of stars that were previously hidden from view. According to a statement from NASA, many of these stars were created just a few 100,000 years ago. Number 2. In 2025, we will send seeds to the moon to see how hardy they may be. Thus yet, no crops have ever been cultivated on the moon without any help from Earth. The Aleph-1 seeds and seedlings will be kept in a safe environment, yet they still face several dangers. Because of the moon's reduced gravity, longer days and nights, and lack of an atmosphere to shield its surface from dangerous solar radiation, water will be of incalculable value there. Caitlin Byrt, plant biologist at ANU and scientific advisor for Lunaria 1, says, Space is a fantastic trial ground for how to grow plants in the most harsh settings. Number 3. The final solar eclipse of 2022 occurs on 25th October. In its orbit, the new moon will pass in front of Earth's shadow, blocking off some of the sun's rays. There will be 2 eclipses in the coming weeks. The moon will experience a total lunar eclipse on the morning of Tuesday, November 8th, when it enters Earth's shadow from the sky over North America, South America, Central and Eastern Asia, Australia, and New Zealand. On the other hand, a partial solar eclipse will occur 2 weeks earlier, on Tuesday, October 25th, when the new moon passes in front of the sun as it orbits the Earth. Number 4. A subterranean magma on Mars may be erupting at this very moment. Geologists have discovered evidence of ancient volcanic activity on Mars. Volcanic rocks, for instance, have been found by NASA's Perseverance rover on the bottom of Jezero crater, which formerly included a lake and a river delta. Olympus Mons, a shield volcano on Mars, is 16 miles, 25 kilometers, tall and as wide as Arizona. Both Olympus Mons and its less famous Tharsis Montes neighbors likely began their ascent on Mars billions of years ago, according to experts. Number 5. On October 27th, you can catch SpaceX as they launch 53 Starlink satellites and safely land the rocket at sea. On Thursday night at 8:52 p.m. EDT, a Falcon 9 rocket carrying 53 Starlink satellites is set to blast off from California's Vandenberg Space Force Base. The first stage of the Falcon 9 is scheduled to return to Earth and make a perfect landing on the SpaceX drone ship Of Course I Still Love You, which will be based in the Pacific Ocean, a little less than 9 minutes after launch. Number 6. An X-ray examination of the debris left behind by a cosmic explosion that destroyed a star shows a magnetically surprising find. It is the first time that astronomers have measured and mapped the polarization of X-rays emanating from the debris of a distant exploding star. New insights into the nature of juvenile supernova remnants and their magnetic fields, which may accelerate particles to near the speed of light, may be gleaned from the data acquired from the stellar debris known as Cassiopeia. These results provide a fresh perspective on how we might piece together the explosive end of huge stars that culminates in supernovae, a process that plants the seeds for the next generation of stars in the cosmos.